In this video, I'm going to show you how you can appear offline on your TikTok account. So if you no longer want your followers to know when you are online, the best thing to do is to go ahead and change the settings for your online status. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your TikTok account and then go to inbox here down below. You can see inbox icon here. Currently you can see under my inbox your status can be revealed, and as you can see mine shows that I'm online. However, I wish to change this and appear offline. To do this, go ahead and just click on this drop down icon next to inbox, and if I tap on this, you should see here activity status is currently on. Go ahead and toggle this off like this, and I can see your activity status is now hidden. From now henceforth, your followers will never see your activity status as online because you'll remain hidden. So that's how you can hide your online status, or you can go offline on TikTok. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.